What's the meaning of colorfast? Colorfast. Colorfast.
Colorfast. Colorfast. Colorfast is a term used to describe a material or fabric that retains its color even after repeated exposure to water, detergent, sunlight, or other environmental factors. When a fabric is colorfast, it does not fade, bleed, or transfer its color easily. It remains vibrant and consistent over time. This property is particularly important for clothing, home textiles, and other applications where color consistency is desired. Overall, colorfastness is an important quality measure for textiles and materials, and it indicates the durability and longevity of the product.